Let's go.
So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a wig review. I've missed y'all so much, so I'm trying to make sure that I keep the content rolling. So today is going to be a wig review brought to you by Miss Diva Beauty from Miss Diva Wigs. And what they have is wigs and bundles. So they sent me this unit yesterday. I received it in the mail and I am going to do a review on it today. I'm going to make sure that I can look it up right now. If I can, I'm going to leave all the information in the description box below, because you know, a lot of these companies send me stuff, we exchange back and forth, and that be that, but I want you guys to at least have information. So I got my phone here because I do have my new G7X. So let's see what wig this is. Okay, so the wig this is a 13x6 Brazilian virgin pre-plucked hairline, black with highlight straight, 150 density with baby hair, 12-inch lace front wig. So I think this either is the 12-inch or the 16-inch, because it did not come with the inches in or on the side of the box. So I think this is either the 12 or the 16-inch. I'm going to show you a picture because they don't give cue cards. One thing about Amazon, they don't do cue cards in the boxes, the human hair boxes. So this young lady has on the wig that I am about to show you in 12 inches or 16 inches. So it has like that, you know, that streak in the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wig off and I'm going to pop this one on. But before I do that, I'm going to show you, this is the okay, so a wig cap does come with this. I do have on the same color wig cap because I can't find none of my black ones. So this is the unit, nothing else in the box. I'm gonna toss it to the side. So yeah, this like is at least like maybe 12 to 16 inches, who knows. So it comes with all this stuff that we're gonna take off. Now the if you notice in the picture, this part of the highlights was in the front of the wig. So I'm kind of a little disappointed that it's not at the front, but nothing you can't fix yourself. So this is a 13x6. Anybody that knows 13x6 means that there's a lot of lace where the crown is. And on the side you're giving about 13 inches of lace in the middle and 6 inches of lace on the side. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. They have 2 combs up here where the crown is, and then another 2 by the nape with adjustable straps. Now you all know me, I don't like that whole combs by the crown. I just feel like if you're gonna do combs, just please do them either at the top or the sides. No, not the sides, because you're gonna be pulling back, snatching back your baby hairs, but at least at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade wigs. I'm going to take this 26-inch off. If you haven't seen my video of this hair, please do, and it'll be in the description box below. So I'm going to swap out wigs. I'm going to swap this one for this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the wig on. Will I say it's pre-plucked? Not enough, but will I definitely say this wig is a stealer and really cute. I'm thinking like it's more 12-inch, 14 inches of hair. I think this is really cute. You can't go wrong with it. I love everything about this wig. It's really cute. It's very snug on the head, y'all. Like, I got it on my head and I use the straps because I don't like using the combs. I'm not trying to snatch my natural hair out. So you can see that cap I have on, which I hate because I can't find my black cap nowhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this lace off so I can get a real feel. And I can only see part of this, but I do have my camera in front of me. So I'm gonna try to pull that up as much as I can because it's like far back. lace off. As you can see, it's really pretty. I got my comb here. It's really pretty. It's light. I would not say it's 150 density because it's very light. So what I'm going to do is, because this lace is light, it's very light, I'm going to see if I can kind of kind of do this. Voila. Kind of hide that light lace. I wish they had options where you could you know, they ask you questions, do you want the lace to be a light brown and all that other stuff. I wish they had that option, because I would definitely say yes. I need to really switch my cap. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in and fix it a lot more later, but I'm just gonna kind of give you the up and up of it. I think it's really pretty. I think this is more of like a 14 inches of hair. I think they tried to layer it in some aspects but did a very horrible job. So if you wanted to go in and fix it, you could. I'm not saying that you can't, but you definitely could. I love the highlight, but the highlights only stop at the front of the hair. I do love that you can part this. Okay, my fan is blowing this in my face and in my mouth. You can part this, like, y'all see that? This is where my cap is, okay? And I can bleach the knots. So that's exactly what I'm going to do when I get off of camera and all this other stuff. I'm going to bleach the knots. Look how much parting space this is on the side. Like, can y'all believe that? Look. Like, I can literally put this in 2 ponytails, in an updo. I can literally do all that good stuff I want to do. I have my flat iron here, so I'm going to definitely see if I can curl this unit. I can do all this nice stuff with this hair. It's 100%, they said Brazilian. You know me. Brazilian, virgin Brazilian. So therefore, I don't believe that, because, you know, for this to be virgin, you know, it means unprocessed. You know what I'm saying? Or is it? Yeah, virgin means the hair hasn't been touched or, you know, modified, but it has, because it has the little blonde spots at the front. So I think this unit is really, really pretty. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna cut some more of this off. I'm just fearful that if I cut too much off, it's not gonna look natural if I want to put it in an updo. But I mean, I kind of have to, because I want to put it behind my ear. I'm a behind the ear type of gal, so I want to do that. You're gonna have to go in and you're gonna have to bleach the knots. You can barely see it, but you're still gonna have to bleach the knots. Wear a cap that's not like mine's revealable, because you can really see that. I'm just kind of showing you guys where to go from here. I think it's really pretty. Let's see if my iron is hot. So let's see if it does a really nice curl. You know what? I always start from the back. That way, if any mishaps happen, it's always in the back. So here's the hair being curled. I can't never get nothing. Okay, it's not too bad, not too good either, but it holds a curl. It holds a curl. So that means that if I want to curl this hair instead of having it straight, it's definitely going to hold a really nice curl. It is retailing for the 12 inch, it's $93. For the 16 inch is $147. So wait, I think she's wearing a 12 inch bob and I'm wearing 16 inch bob. Okay, so the 16 is $147, the 18 is $158, the 20 is $191, and all the way up to the 24 inches is $256. Do I think that's a steal? Yes, because this hair is like, it's bomb. I'm not gonna lie, it's bomb. Do I think it's 150 density? You know what, in the back, yes, but definitely not in the front. I don't know why I like my wigs like more volume in the front, but that's nothing you can't fix. Okay, this is gonna kind of, look out, baby, it's holding a girl. Okay, but I don't like that. I need everything on one accord. So let's flatten that back, and look, it flattens back out, y'all, like easy. Look at that. Okay, I'm definitely sold on this wig. The only thing I don't like is that the highlights are I don't like this. It could be better. It could be better. I want it like the girl in the picture. I want the highlights to go up to the root, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do that myself. I don't like that it's coming from the root down. It reminds me of the synthetic wigs that tried to kind of mimic and copy this style and just didn't get it. So come on, y'all, this is a human hair wig costing about $147. The least you can do is get it up to the root, you know what I'm saying? But it's still a really, it's a badass wig. I just don't like the fact that they tried to layer it. So what I'm going to be doing mostly with this wig is wearing it curly, because I do like the length. I just don't like what they tried to do with it. You know what I'm saying? I think they tried to go with the cut straight 16-inch, but they kind of did like a horrible job because it looked like chopped and screwed. So you know what I'm saying? Like longer pieces than the others. This could have been done a little bit better, but it can be fixed. That's the only thing that's amazing about this wig. It can be fixed. So this comes to the conclusion of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the link in the comment section below. I would definitely get back to you. I will have another video up for you very soon. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I'm going to be doing more wig reviews. I feel like that's what I initially started my channel for, which was wig reviews, but I felt like everybody was doing it, so there was no reason. Nah. I'm going to be incorporating more clothing hauls and wig reviews in my videos, and just, you know, all around a lot of stuff just to keep the content fresh. So I love you guys. It's been fun. It's been real. I shall catch you in my next video. Bye.